Namaste. I welcome all of you in the series of meditation practice, How to Meditate. Myself Ram Gupta, and I am practicing and teaching meditation since 1993. We want to start this series of meditation practices to make you aware how actually meditation can be practiced from the very beginning. So beginners especially can pay attention to how to begin with. Today we will be learning how to sit for meditation and how to do the withdrawal of senses easily. So for meditation, find out a posture in which you can sit easily. Cross your leg or sit on the chair. Be straight, be comfortable, make sure you are fine and interested to do in this moment. Close your eyes. The first thing is you have to learn how to close your eyes without any strain. Withdrawal of senses involves taking your attention from the outer world and fixing your attention or awareness on the location of your senses. We have 5 senses: eyes to see the sight, ears to hear the sounds, nose to smell, tongue to taste, and skin for the touch. So the moment you close your eyes, you get disconnected from the outer world. Now eyes are no more connected to the sight outside. Just focus your attention onto the location of eyes, eye pits, eyeballs. Just be there for a while and check, can you be? And try the same with the other senses. Come to your nose, feel the nasal passage from within. The entire tract from the entrance of nose, the tip of the nostrils, up to the end of nose. Let's come to the ears, the another senses. Focus on your eardrums. Go inside. Just feel. There may be some sound around coming to your ears. It's okay. But you are not interested to attend the sound. If they come, let them come and pass. Your interest is to be in your ears, inside. Come to your tongue now and feel the location of tongue. How your tongue is resting in the mouth. And now let's have a look to the skin of face. From the forehead until the chin, just be onto the skin of your face. Though skin is everywhere in your whole body, but just be here. Feel it. My Gurudev, Yugpuru Swami Sri Paramanand Giriji Maharaj used to say that first of all learn how to sit in your senses. Sit in your eyes, your ears, your nose, your tongue, your skin. Just learn how to be there. Like you live in your apartment, in your house, and you know very well how to sit in your bedroom, how to go to kitchen, how to go to washroom. You stay for a while to use the facility, and finally you rest in your bedroom for the whole night. So you know very well physically moving into the different parts of your house. Same way in your body, your senses. Just learn first how to be there. Just be on your eyes. Not for to see any sight in and around. Just being in the eyes is enough. Learn this art being just onto the location of the senses. In few days, if you keep doing this, you will learn what I mean. Remain seated in your senses. You will feel yourself disconnected from the outer world for a while. That is the first step. The journey of meditation from the outer world to the senses where they are located in. Hope you note down this tip for the meditation and you will like to practice it. Practice at least twice a day. Give around 10 minutes, enough, and you see what comes out of it. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.